Small home renovation, big impact, our success story. Renovating a small home can seem like a daunting task, but with the right planning and execution, it can make a big impact. Our success story is a testament to that. With a limited budget and a small space to work with, we were able to transform our outdated home into a cozy and modern oasis. Planning. The first step in any home renovation project is to create a plan. We started by identifying our needs and wants for our space. We knew we wanted to create an open-concept living area that would be perfect for entertaining guests. We also wanted to update our kitchen and bathroom, both of which were outdated and lacked functionality. To stay within our budget, we decided to tackle one project at a time, starting with the kitchen. We researched different design options and materials that would fit our style and budget. We also reached out to contractors to get quotes and ensure we were getting the best value for our money. Execution. Once we had our plan in place, it was time to start executing it. We began by tearing down the walls separating our living room and kitchen to create an open concept space. We also replaced our old kitchen cabinets and countertops with new ones, and installed modern lighting fixtures to brighten up the room. Next, we focused on the bathroom. We replaced the old, worn-out tiles with new ones, and installed a new vanity and sink. We also added a modern, glass shower enclosure to give the space a more open and airy feel. Finally, we turned our attention to the living room. We painted the walls a light, neutral color to create a bright and inviting space. We also installed new hardwood floors to replace the outdated carpeting, and added modern light fixtures and furniture to complete the look. Results. The results of our renovation were nothing short of amazing. Our small home was transformed into a modern, cozy oasis that perfectly reflected our style and personality. The open-concept living area was perfect for entertaining guests, and the updated kitchen and bathroom were not only functional but also stylish. Our renovation also added value to our home. When we decided to sell a few years later, we were able to recoup our investment and then some. Potential buyers were impressed with the modern updates and open-concept layout, and we were able to sell our home quickly and for a great price. Lessons learned. Our small home renovation project taught us a few important lessons. First, planning is key. Taking the time to identify our needs and wants, researching materials and design options, and getting multiple quotes helped us stay within our budget and achieve our desired results. Second, tackling one project at a time is a great way to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Starting with the kitchen, which was the most important room to us, allowed us to get a sense of the renovation process before moving on to other projects. Finally, investing in quality materials and professional help is always worth it. While it may seem expensive up front, investing in high-quality materials and hiring professional contractors ensured that our renovations would last for years to come and added value to our home in the long run. Conclusion. Renovating a small home can seem like a daunting task, but with the right planning and execution, it can make a big impact. Our success story is proof of that. By identifying our needs and wants, tackling one project at a time, and investing in quality materials and professional help, we were able to transform our outdated home into a modern, cozy oasis that we loved living in.